Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do this classic silver eye makeup look. I'm going to share with you step by step how I achieved this look, so follow me in this tutorial throughout today, and then I will show you everything that I did to achieve this look. So to start with, what I'm doing right now is I put a tape at the side of my eye to help me guide throughout the eyeshadow, because I'm not so good with the straightening of the end, but this tape is going to help me when I finish and take it off. It's going to look good. So next I'm applying my concealer that I'm going to use. That's similar concealer that I use for my eyebrow. So what I'm doing right now, I'm blending in the concealer to make sure it all enters into my skin well and then matches and disappears well blended. That's what I'm doing right now. Next I'm going to use the palette I'm using today is a birthday suit. It's by K Beauty. So the colors I'm going to use today is what I've shown you. So what I'm using first is the black looking color. What I'm using right now for the first one, the corner, is the black one. I'm blending this throughout the corner of my eye. That's the outside part of my eye. I'm going to make sure I blend this throughout to match, to make one smooth looking black color. So I'm going to continue blending until I get a strong looking black that I want. As I'm doing now, I'm adding more of the black color to blend to be deeper. So this whole process is full of blending, making sure the eyeshadow is well blended in, and then coming inside the inner corner of my eye. I'm adding a little bit of the white one that I shown, just a little bit onto it. So now I'm using this looking like gray shiny one. That's what I'm applying onto it with my hand right now, using my hand to apply it first. Make sure it stays in well before I go in with my brush. Using the hand to apply it because this eyeshadow is a bit soft will make it stick onto my eye more before going in with the brush, as I said. So right now I'm going to use my little brush as I'm showing right now to just go into it with more of the shiny gray eyeshadow onto it lightly. So next I'm using this flat brush to apply more of the gray eyeshadow onto my eye, looking like a cat crease, but it's not. I go in gently and then apply more, going to the outer corner of my eye and then coming back into the inner corner. So now that I've finished applying with the flat brush, I'm using my other brush again to clean the upper part of my eyeshadow and then the eyebrow. I'm using a lighter color of eyeshadow to blend in between the black and then going to my eyebrow. I make sure I blend it in continuously until the color matches and then make the black one disappear. So right now that I finished, I'm using one of my shiny looking kind of like eyeliner to just line up the eyeshadow, but unfortunately I couldn't capture the other one well. It was a little bit blurred, sorry for that. Next I go in with my eyeliner, black eyeliner, to line up my eye. That's where I'm going to put my eyelashes. So I line it up a little bit and then put on my eyelashes, and I'm going to do the eyelashes offline as I've done it now. And this is how it's looking so far. I'm lining the underneath of my eye just to make the eye look that popping looking and then show the eyeshadow looking really nicer. So that's what I'm doing right now. First lining underneath my eye, I use the gray looking eyeshadow first, the inner part of my lower line, and then I'm going in with the black looking kind of eyeshadow. That's what I used the second time, and then to the inner corner of it again I'm using a little bit like bluish color to just pop that eye looking, and then I'm going to do it to the other side too the same way, and then that will be the end of my eye makeup. So this is the final look of the eye makeup that I started earlier on, and then as I show you in the earlier video, that is how it looked. This is looking quite really good. I like the color combining, looking like matching with my hair a little bit. I like it so much. And so this is how it looks from the front waist, and then I'm going to show you closer view of it to how it look. I'm going to show in the next one very close. That's how it looked being close to you. And so what do you think about my eye makeup today, guys? Leave your comments down below. on whatever you think about this eye look, and let me know, give your ideas, anything that you think about this look, just leave your comments down below there. This look will be super good for a disco, for a party, any style. You can also do this using any other color of eyeshadow of what I've done right now. You can do it using like a pink, using a blue, using a green, using any color of eyeshadow that you have and you wanted. Sometimes people do match eyeshadows with their outfit and things. You can do this style just using the same kind of way that I did mine with your colors, and you will like it, you will enjoy it so much. I like my eyeshadows to sometimes look very colory, as I'm showing right now, standing out and then popping. I like it to show a lot. Yes, that's why I like strong colors sometimes, because of my skin color. Sometimes strong colors make it look really good. Nude colors sometimes don't normally do it. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have enjoyed this video today.